Gusto bang malaman kung paano mag-create ng clouds using Adobe Illustrator? Just like this one. Nasa taas and nasa baba. Very quickly. Napakabilis lang nito. It will take you only a few minutes. There are two ways. One is creating the clouds with circle objects. You do it like this. Use one circle, press the shift, and then drag. Pwede mong i-duplicate yung circle kung gusto mo by selecting the object and then clicking, dragging while holding the Alt key. Another one, let's make another one by pressing the Alt key, click and drag. And then we make it smaller. Reposition natin. And then let's make a rounded rectangle tool. Probably stick tayo sa circle. And then I want a flat bottom, so I'll be using a rectangle at the bottom. And then I will apply effect round corners. Habaan natin ng konti. And then click and drag from the outside to select all objects, or you can press Ctrl A and then we can combine these items or simply group by clicking or pressing Ctrl G. And then let's remove the outline, put some color into it. Let's use gray. And let's put a blue background. Let's bring this backward. There, you have the cloud using circles and just one rounded rectangle. The next one is a bit tricky, but I'll show you how to make that other one using rectangles. Yeah. Let's add another one here. So the fastest way to make this or to turn this into a cloud is to select all the rectangles. And then let's Ctrl G to group. Click Effect, Stylize, and then Round Corners. Actually, it's better if we combine all these objects, all these rectangles. Let's do that by using the Pathfinder tool. Now that we have the corners combined, all the shapes combined, let's pick Effect, Stylize, and then Round Corners. Now the effect you should be getting is a bit of an abstract, and it depends on how you like your clouds. That's how you create these two types of clouds using shapes. Hey, salamat for watching this video. If you have found this very helpful for you, please consider liking, sharing, or clicking the subscribe button. Thank you.